Is email marketing is really worth doing? In this video we will see whether we should go for email marketing or whether we should not go for the email marketing, right? So I just wanted to tell you, when you are in the social media and you wanted to make sure you are producing an ad, it to make sure you are selling your product and services in front of your audience. So in that time you have to pay a lot, right? And sometimes what happen, people start their Facebook ad, or maybe in 3 days, 4 days, or maybe 5 to 6 days, their all the savings is gone, right? And the bad thing about social media is that you can do your marketing, organic marketing, but you can't take that particular customer in your own data, right? If you want to do that, then you have to start doing email marketing. You have to go there, you have to try a new ad, and you have to ask for the email from all these people who actually sign up for your ad, right? Once you have that particular email, now that data, that email of that particular customer will be always yours, right? You can sell them after 6 months also, you can sell them after 2 years also, right? But when you are in the social media, you have to do every single thing according to the social media company only. If they change a policy, your all the data will be gone. It's going to be something which you can't control, right? So that's why doing email marketing is going to be worth it. So please do that.